Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do this half updo. So to start to do the half updo with our beautiful birch bow, we're going to again start with just a pump of the Nutriplenish oil. Rub that through our hands and then focus that more on the mids to ends to add some shine. Get rid of any little flyaways. And I'm gonna grab about half of that just above the ears. Pull our front bits out. Just smooth this down. I'm just gonna split those back sections in half again. Do a little twist. And then we'll twist them together. I'm gonna pop that open. And clip it around everything that we pulled out. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the products in the description box below.